Greetings, and I welcome you to this lesson. Today we are going to look at circle theorem. To solve questions on circle theorem with less difficulties, you need to know three things. Number one, you need to know properties of a circle. Number two, you need to know the types of triangles. Number three, you need to memorize or master the circle theorems themselves. Now, how do we solve these two questions? Finding the value of y here and also finding the value of y there. Let's start with the question A. On question A, we have a circle and a triangle and a center. We have not been given any angle here, but we are asked to find the value of y. Now, on your first sight, you will think that this triangle is an isosceles triangle, where two interior angles are equal or two sides are equal in length. But I want to prove to you that this is not an isosceles triangle. Let's look at it again closely. This line and that line, we are told they are equal in length because of these marks. And remember, a line from the center of a circle to any point on the circumference, it is called radius. And the radius of a particular circle is always the same. If this is a radius, even here it's a radius, even there it's a radius, even this is a radius. Meaning that even this line is going to be equal with this. The reason is this is radius and that is radius. You cannot have two radii on one circle, different length. If this is 10 centimeters, it means even this one is going to be 10 centimeters. Hence, this particular triangle, this triangle in this circle is equilateral triangle. And the equilateral triangle, when you add all the three angles inside the triangle, the answer that you get is 180 degrees. Not just in an equilateral triangle, but the sum of interior angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. Now, since this one is an this one is an equilateral triangle, it means all the three angles inside, they are equal, which means for me to get one angle, I'm supposed to divide 180, the sum of interior angles, divide by 3. And I'm going to get a 60 degrees. Therefore, the value of y on A is 60 degrees. This is the answer. We go to question B. Here, this line is a diameter. And if this is a diameter, it means that this angle here is 90 degrees. This. It means this angle here is 90 degrees. Why 90 degrees? Two reasons applicable here. This is an angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. And the other reason, angle at the center is twice angle on the circumference, because the angle at the center here, straight line, is 180 degrees. So you divide this angle by 2, you get the angle on the circumference. Same reason. Now, if we are told that this is 140 degrees, it means that for us to get this angle here, we must subtract 140 degrees minus 90 degrees, which will give us 50 degrees. This 50 degrees is for this particular angle here. From this, you can tell that there are 2 points on the circumference here, forming 2 angles on the circumference there, and again from here, going this side. Which reminds me of another theorem, which says an angle in the same segment here, this is an angle in the same segment, and also this one. So angles in the same segment are equal. They are coming from the same points here. So angles in the same segment are equal. Therefore, again here the value of y will be 50 degrees. The value of y will be 50 degrees. Angle, you can even do this in brackets, angle in the same segment. Same segment. So angle in the same segment. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have liked the video, kindly share with your friends and also subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you and be blessed.